Today you were asked to compare both Henry and Chen on this chart. Something I want you to think about, because we weren't thinking about it yesterday, is when I'm comparing characters, I'm really thinking about their thoughts, feelings, and actions, not necessarily things that they just see as they're walking around. I really want to get to know the characters, and just talking about what they're doing is not going to necessarily help me get to know them better. So if we think about what we've learned so far about Henry and Chen, one of the things I remember is that they're both about the same age. I think one's 8 and one's 9 years old. They're both boys and they both love those penny books. Those are things that they have in common, and it helps me to understand them a little bit better. I know their age, that they're boys, and that they love those books. Another thing I remember from the book is that um, Chen is from China, so he's Chinese, and Henry is American. But they both live in the city of San Francisco. So there's another thing that they have in common, even though one's American and one's Chinese. Again, this helps me understand those characters better because they're big, important traits that help me kind of picture who they are as I'm reading. As you go to redo your comparison chart, I want you to be thinking about how Henry and Chen are similar. There's several ways, but also how they're different. Not as many ways, but that's okay. I also want you to think about how do they feel about their family. This is going to be really important in the story. And so I want you to go back and I want you to pay attention to how Chen and how Henry talk or think about their parents. You've got this.